Good morning, Rena. This is the plan that we had for yesterday on Thursday. There was a video that we watched about global warming in Latin America, and that's in the materials that I posted yesterday. I posted it again today. So there's a video there along with the pages that we read and a slideshow that I put together. And we moved from the Columbian Exchange, so we wanted to get some of the background on who is living in parts of Central America and the Caribbean, to present day, and what those people are, or what life is like now for them. So one of the sections that we read was Chapter 6, Section 2.3 on pages 174 and 175, and it was about food security, food supply, and malnutrition, especially with children. And one of the factors that impacts the food supply is global warming. So we read through that. We answered a couple questions and then did some research on different programs that are trying to help people within that region, especially with their food supply. So in your classroom, I have the reading that we did yesterday and the slideshow that went with it, plus the warm-up video that's right there. And then here's the assignment that we have to do. Our goal for today is we'll watch CNN 10, and I haven't been putting these in your classroom, but I certainly can. We watch CNN 10, and then we'll have a current event assignment. So just notice that we needed a bit more help with identifying main ideas, and so that's what we're going to spend some time with today. Okay, well, I hope you're doing well, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send an email or send a comment in Google Classroom, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. We'll talk to you later. Bye.